Good morning. Quite often I've seen on YouTube people suggesting ways of making an emergency light. In essence, all they do is buy a box, buy some LEDs, buy some rechargeable batteries and a couple of switches and put it all together. My problem, if you will, is twofold. First of all, if you have a power cut, how are you going to see where the light is to turn it on? The other thing is the cost. You might be thinking, cost, it's only a couple of batteries, some LEDs and a box. You try and put that lot together, not to mention how much it really does cost. My reasoning is this: you can actually buy one of these. This is a proper emergency light with LEDs on it. Wait for it, for £12 or less. Yes, £12. You can get them from the usual places on eBay. And the advantage is, this being the proper emergency light, actually comes on when you have a power cut. I'll show you what I have here. Please hold. Here we are. Here's an emergency light I have in my house. Yes, they're not used very often, but when you need them, they really are good. I'll show you now. This lights the room considerably, and it will also last for a minimum of 3 hours. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to help out, please buy me a coffee.